Hey guys, just Starr here with Starr Realty Group at Keller Williams Realty, standing inside our beautiful new listing. This is 42 Byron Drive in Avon, Connecticut, a part of the Farmington Woods community. This is a gorgeous 2-bedroom with an additional loft, 2.5 bath condo. It actually has only one adjoining wall, so it's really nice. It feels like a home here. Hardwood floors throughout, as you can see. Beautiful vaulted ceilings. They've got a great fireplace here as well. What I love about this property is in 2017, they did a whole new heating and air conditioning system. Everything has been done top to bottom, fresh paint throughout, nice light and bright as you can see. It's got that great fireplace back there. Beautiful deck that overlooks one of the greens here at Farmington Woods. There's an 18-hole golf course that you will love, 4 pools. They've got a clubhouse. They have so much to offer here, tennis courts, multiple playgrounds as well. It's nestled in a sweet little private area here. It's also got a 2-car garage too, which you don't typically find. And it's got a great kitchen that's been all updated as well. I've got a great little helper with me today. She just loves this property too. Nice light and bright. Look at this great kitchen. Corian countertops, Fisher Paykel appliances. Most of the appliances have been replaced. First floor laundry as well, and the master bedrooms on the first floor too, with ample closet space. There are 4 6-foot closets, a private ensuite bath. You name it, it's here. All the windows have also been replaced in this unit. This one won't last long. You better give us a call, 860-325-2484, or visit us on our website at starrealtygroup.com. We look forward to helping you make your dreams come true too. Make it a great day.